Hi everyone, so I'm going to do a really quick video to try to help you with reading assignments in Pearson. First of all, I want to say it was so good to see some of y'all. I video chatted with a few of y'all today and the last week, and if you haven't video chatted with me yet, please contact me so we can set up a time so I can see your face. So I want to see the kiddos. Parents, this is good for you and them, so they need to be able to watch all the online activities they should be starting to be able to do on their own. It's okay if they're not getting 100% correct. Help them if they ask for help, just like if they were in my classroom. Try to let them do it as much independently as they can. I'm trying to make it so they can access everything as easily as possible in Google Classroom. So that's where you want to start. Always, always go into Launchpad through here. Go ahead and go into Google and go into Google Classroom. This is kind of like your assignment list for the week. So this is your best place to start. Now again, it's going to try to kick you into the very first person who signed in. I'm going to use a student one again to try to show y'all. I just want to make sure I'm clicked in, logged in. You're going to use the button in the top right corner. If it's not your initial, you're in the wrong place. You want to make sure you're clicked and it says your name when you click on that button. Okay, once you're in there, click in here and go into your classwork. This is where you're going to get all your work done. Okay, don't go to view your work. Over here are your different subjects. I'm going to focus on reading today because I want to show y'all how easy, fun the reading Pearson assignments are. You don't have to go back through Launchpad with Pearson anymore. I figured it out. So you're going to click on reading, and anytime you can see the pictures here, those are actual links that are not connected to Pearson. Go ahead and click in. Read the directions in there as best you can. If there's no questions or anything, just mark as done when you're done. Okay, so like if I go into this one for this student, Caden happens to be my guinea pig. Thanks again, Caden's mom, for letting us use his account. So once it says just watch it, read Iguana on YouTube. That's it. Once you're done, you can send me comments on if you like it or not or whatever, but if there's no questions, you just turn it in and mark it as done. I know you read it. Okay, so then I'm done with that one. I'm going to go back, click the back arrow, and it's take you right back where you were before. Now on this one, if you notice, there's realize is the green screen. Anytime you see a green screen, you click on it because it's going to log you right into your assignment for that day. Again, make sure you click on your name. I'm sure y'all are sharing computers and devices. So, and once you click on there, click on your assignment. It should open up. Everybody's slow today because we're all using Wi-Fi all around the world right now. So once you're in there, you can go through and read. You can have it read to you if you click the play. And it'll read to them if they need help reading. They should know that because we've already used this platform at school. So boys and girls, just like we do at school. Now, you've seen me do this at school, but I don't know if you remember. If you want to underline something like I did here, you're going to click, drag, and highlight. This box pops up. If you want to underline, you click underline. If you want to circle it, you circle it. If you want to highlight it, you can highlight it. If you want to make a note and tell me why you're doing that, you may make notes. Once you're done doing those things, you're going to, save should be an option, but I think you can only, so once you're done, you can click save and it should save, okay? I'm going to quickly go to the end. Same thing here, it says underline. When it says highlight, you're going to go ahead and look for what it's asking you to highlight, okay? I'm just using this as an example, so know that I would usually read it and try to figure out, click highlight, click save. Once I save it, it's in there, and once you save it, I can see it. I can see what you're doing as you're doing it once you're saving. So don't worry about if it locks up or shuts down, it saves it for you if you're pressing save every time you do something, okay? So we're going to go through and you're going to do all of the pages, and then this is what I wanted to show you today. So you're going to see the green screen. Keep going. If there's still this yellow arrow over here, keep going. When it has a chart or a box or anything like this, you're going to click Open Activity. When the activity opens, now you may type. You may type your answers here. You can respond in the boxes. Once you've done that, you click the check mark, and once you're finished, you click the check mark. Oops, I wasn't done. I better not check mark, okay? And Kate and I will clear yours out once I'm done here. So I'm going to go ahead and clear it out for you so you can do it online if you want. So that's how you're going to get to the activities here. Again, if you see a blue box, click Open Activity so it can open up for you to type in your answers. Once you've typed in your answers, click the check box and it's going to ask, do you want to turn it in? Yes. Click Turn In. Are you sure? Yes. Click Turn In. Once it says your work is done, you click Close and it should take you right back to where you were. And then you can go to the next activity. Again, all you do is click the blue and it should open a box for you to type your answers in. Still a yellow arrow. I'm going to keep going. Here's another one. So that's why we're giving you more days to complete the assignments. So if you'll notice, you have 3 assignments for 5 days this week. That's because some of these have several activities in them. Okay, same thing for math. It's okay if you're not getting them all done in one day. Okay, so the main thing is, once you get here, keep arrowing over. If it says open activity, click that box so you can type in your answers. As soon as you type in your answers, see here there's no activity, but it's telling you to do something. You read, do what it says. If you want to answer this question by typing it out, highlight it, type in the annotations here. And that's where you can answer that question. Notice there are no more activities or worksheets because that arrow over here is no longer yellow. So that's how you're going to know you're done with the entire assignment. All right, so I just want to show you all that. I hope that helps you out in your reading assignments. I will be sending you more videos to help you hopefully in some of the other ones, but this one was really cool because I am enjoying seeing your activities and reading through your assignments, and I'm trying to get out some responses and scores to you this next couple days. So I'm going to have that in. So if you have any more specific questions, please email me or let me know. I can call you and we can walk through it together. All right, so thanks again, Kaden. It was good to see everyone today. If you need help, please let me know. If you didn't finish something from last week and want to finish it, you're welcome to, but if you didn't finish it, I'm going to grade what you got. Okay, try to move through. Last week was kind of a rough week, so we're going to muddle through. Hopefully this week will be easy, and next week's 4-day week, so it should be a little bit shorter for you. Have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.